My name is Himanshu, and this is the demo of my assignment for computer networks. In this, we have to implement a P2P architecture protocol, and as this requires multiple pinging and a server continuously listening to the messages, so I've used the concept of multi-threading. This is my code. It involves various threads, various functions for implementing the assignment such as UDP server, hash function for decoding file messages for TCP server. So I have started total of 8 peers right now, and as you can see the peers are pinging to its successors and it is receiving responses from its successors, and each peer sends its successor a message every 20 seconds. So it receives a response every 20 seconds and it prints on the screen. So now this is the second part of the assignment. If we want to request a file from peer 4, so we will request it using request 2012, and it sends a message to its successor with the file name. Peer 5 is its successors. It shows that file 2012 is not stored here and it has been forwarded to my successor. It pings to 8, 10, 12, 15, and peer 1 has the file, and it shows here that file 2012 is here and response has been sent to peer 4. Peer 4 on the other hand will say that it has received a response from peer 1 which has the file 2012. This completes the third part. So suppose if we want to kill the PF4 gracefully. So we'll just type quit on the screen and it quits. And so peer 3 will now say that my first successor is peer 5 and my second successor is peer 8 as peer 4 has quit. In the same way, the predecessor peer 1 will display that my successor is now peer 3 and my second successor is peer 5. And as you can see it has getting a response from peer 5 which is now second successor. This completes the fourth part, and now if we want to kill a peer, suppose if we will kill peer 8, we'll just have to press Ctrl C. So peer 5 and peer 3, which are its two predecessors, will wait for 3 pings without any responses and will declare if the peer 8 is alive or not. So it's right now it's waiting for the three unsuccessful ping responses, and once it is done it will display that peer 8 is no longer alive. As you can see, peer 5 is displayed that peer 8 is no longer alive and it has updated the successes to peer 10 and 12. Similarly, in peer 3 it will also display that it has that peer 8 is no longer alive and it has updated the successes to peer 5 and peer 10. So peer 8 is no longer alive and peer 10 has started receiving responses from peer 3, as you can see, and it sends the responses to peer 3 as well. This completes the whole assignment. Thank you for your time.